Okay, so we have 4 radios that I bought. It was a lot of 4 of them, and this was the one I mainly bought the lot for, and the dial's busted. But we'll resurrect it one day. I'll go in the pile. So I think we're gonna work on this oddball Lloyd's. High fidelity, it's AM FM. So let's get this sucker apart, or let's see what it does first. See what this thing does. I think it works, it just needs its controls to be cleaned, but let's take this thing apart. Okay, now do you want to see how cheap this darn thing is? It's a plastic radio shoved inside of a wooden cabinet. See? This model originally came with has a plastic cabinet, so if I wanted to I could make this a plastic radio, but you can see the inside. It is an oddball set, so I'm probably going to keep it like this, or I'm going to keep it. It's probably nothing special or worth anything. I just want to keep it because it's pretty cool. But here's I think these, I don't know what these tubes are, but it's a 6-tube set, so it should be a good performer. It has this nice long antenna. Looks like all the parts in here are branded Rincon, or Rincon. I think this one just needs a good cleaning. I'm not going to fuss with this filter capacitor. If it goes bad down the road, I'll just replace it. Yeah, I think all that this really needs is just some control cleaner, and it should be good. So I'll be right back with the control cleaned, and apparently this belonged to Wileen. So it works.
$100 a month. Get 2 iPhone. Hunger to sustain it.
Okay, well that was an easy one. This thing just has an intermittent interlock. One of the prongs is all loose, but there you go. One resurrected. Well, it really wasn't. I didn't really have to do much. Just a quick repair.